हेलो एंड वेलकम टू एड शेड। सो आज बात करने वाले हैं इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ पेशेंस इन मेडिकल मार्केटिंग। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था क्योंकि मैं देख रहा था बहुत सारे कोचेस हैं, बिजनेस मेंटर्स हैं और ऑनलाइन मार्केटर्स हैं जो कहते हैं कि ऑनलाइन आओ, अब पैसे इन्फ्यूज़ करो, हम हमें फीस दो और बस 1 महीने के अंदर आपकी रैपिड ग्रोथ शुरू है। ऐसा नहीं होता है, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा। अगर ऐसा होता तो अभी तक ये इट इज़ टू गुड टू बी ट्रू। आपको टाइम लगाना पड़ता है, अपना भी टाइम लगाना पड़ता है कभी कभी, और बहुत चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं। इट टेक्स टाइम एंड हेंस इट रिक्वायर्स पेशेंस। सो ये वीडियो आमतौर से जो वीडियो आती हैं एड शेड पे उनसे अलग है क्योंकि हम थोड़ा टेक्निकल वीडियोस बनाने में फोकस कर रहे थे कि असल में हम एक टिप्स दे पाएँ कि एग्जैक्ट ये कि आप ये करो तो आपको ये आउटपुट मिल जाएगा इतने टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर। लेकिन ये वीडियो भी इंपॉर्टेंट था क्योंकि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप जिस ट्रैक पे जा रहे हो उस ट्रैक पे किस तरीके से काम होता है और उसमें पेशेंस कितनी ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट है पेशेंस की। ऑब्वियसली आपने अपनी प्रैक्टिस ग्रो करी है एक लेवल से दूसरे लेवल तक, तो ऑब्वियसली आपको पता है पेशेंस इज रिक्वायर्ड टू ग्रो एट एनीथिंग इन एनी बिजनेस एंड इन लाइफ। So I will not be talking about the patience in life and business. You know better than me. I'm just a 21-year-old kid doing online marketing. So you should know that online marketing is not like in which was in 2005 or 6 or 7 or 8. It has changed drastically. There are more people coming in, more people competing, more people searching for things. Everything is has increased, and hence when a marketplace increases, the competition increases, the chances of succeeding in it also decreases a little bit, and hence online marketing is kind of becoming a normal business, and you have to invest time, money to succeed in any business. Just like that, online marketing is not the golden era anymore, which everyone talks about, that online आओ बस पैसे कमाओ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Online marketing has changed very much, so you should focus on you should work on your patience. And I know that growing practice can be tough for you, and you want to grow your patients, you want to grow your practice, you want to increase your experience with number of patients, etc., etc. I know that all we have worked with doctors. They tell me that they want to increase the number of patients, they want to make their single chair dentist to double chair or even more, or they want to hire more staff but they can't because of cash crunch or location rent or anything like that. But you should know that for all of that you have to figure out a lot of things. Online marketing can still be a very effective thing compared to offline marketing channels like the poster printing or the banner printing or the giving an ad in the newspaper. It's still a very effective way, but still you have to have patience. And I think it's kind of a motivational video for all of you. But if you want to really grow online, and then you should talk to other doctors who have done it before, or join a community, or at least talk to a marketer, any marketer uh, who is not trying to sell you anything. Just get an honest advice that how much time will it take for me to grow online. And for my estimate, if you have never started something or never did anything, uh, we had a doctor who was doing dentistry, single chair dentistry in Gurgaon, and uh, she was doing it for almost. She had experience of 15 years, and she has been operating her clinic for 7 to 8 years now. And she just started online marketing a year back, and in 1 year she developed her website. She created a lot of content, a lot of videos, etc., etc. And it's not been 1 year exactly because of the lockdown and stuff, but still in 1 year she has done a lot and still have not achieved any direct sale and direct I can say profit from online marketing, because SEO takes time. We build landing pages from them for them, SEO landing pages for them, but still it takes time. And we have not done the paid marketing. We just started the paid marketing a month before, and we are in paid marketing the thing is different because you can expect a result almost directly. You can invest one and get back two. That's how the paid marketing works. But the organic marketing and the social media, it takes time, and SEO, it takes time and effort, and it's always more difficult than you expected. It's always like that, no matter what. uh, so I think that's enough, and we'll see you in the next video.